يعني ممكن نعتبر مثلا انا ماتر، تليفون ماتر، شنطه ماتر، لان كل حاجه ليها ماس او فوليوم تعتبر ماتر. We can distinguish between any matters in color, smell, and tastes, or hardness, density, melting point, and boiling point, and electric conductivity. This properties, it is called a physical properties. So we will talk about every property alone, like color, taste, and smell. We can differentiate between iron, silver, and gold by color. Also, we can differentiate between table sugar, table salt, and sugar with taste, because salt and sugar have a same color. So we will use another thing to differentiate, like taste. Perfume and vinegar, we can differentiate between them with smell. Then we will talk about matter and density. Density is very important properties. What is the meaning of density? Density is a mass of unit of volume. It is a mass of unit of volume. So when we want to know about the law of density, density is equal mass over volume. Mass over volume. Measuring unit, gram slash cubic centimeter or kilogram slash cubic meter. So,
size or volume?
huh?
Size or volume?
What is the meaning of mass and what is the meaning of volume? Mass is amount of matter that the matter contains. Volume, it is the space occupied by the object. Like copper and iron, it is thick in wood, but oil or wood or cork, it floats on water. Give reason, copper and iron is thick in water, because copper or iron have a more density more than water. So, if we bring wood, copper, and iron in same volume, it will have same mass? Absolutely not, because they are different in density. Give reason. A piece of wood floats on the water surface, while a piece of lead sinks in it. هنقول ايه؟ هنقول ان الwood floats above water due to the density of wood is lower than the density of wood, but lead is larger than water, so it will sink or sink in water. This exercise talk about density, how can we measure? Substance, it is water. Mass with gram is 50 gram. Volume is 50 cubic centimeter. So density is equal mass divided to volume. 50 over 50 is equal 1. If you want to calculate oil, 82 mass, 100 is equal to volume. So the oil density is equal 0.82. I want to ask you a question. Petrol, oil, floats or sink on water? See the density? The density of oil is less than the density of water, so it floats above the water. Mass over volume. Mass over volume equal 1. What is the mean part? The density of water is equal 1 gram slash cubic centimeter. What is the mean? That means that the mass of unit of volume is equal 1 gram. What is the meaning unit of volume? It means 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter. Okay. I told you before, that the density is very important physical quantity. Now we will know the life application of density. What is the life application? How we can use density in our life application. The first thing, water it is not used to extinguishing the fire of petrol. Why? Petrol is lower than the density of water, so it will float. If we put the water, it will sink again, not extinguish it. So we will use another thing to extinguish it, like carbon dioxide. Did you ask yourself why balloons is filled with hydrogen or helium? It is rising upward? Now I will answer you. Because the density of hydrogen and helium is less than the density of helium. The third property or physical properties is a melting point. Melting point it is a temperature that matter changes from solid state to liquid state. Such as we heated a cube of ice, it will convert it to water. So convert it to water because it reaches to the melting point that equals 0 degrees. Melting point, also we can use it in our life application, such as cooking pan is made of aluminum, because aluminum it is high melting point. What is the meaning of alloy? Alloy it is a mixture between some metals. Like copper and gold alloy, it's used in jewels. Like nickel chrome alloy, it's used in making these coils. Like stainless steel alloy, it's used in cooking pans. The boiling point. Before we talk about melting point, it is a degree of temperature that the matter converted changes from solid to liquid. Now we talk about boiling point. It is the temperature that matter changes from liquid state to gas state. So what is the life application of boiling point? It is very important life application that we use this properties to separate the components of oil, petrol oil. That we know petrol oil is consisted of different matters like kerosene, like mazut, like solar. So by boiling point, this matter have a different boiling point. So we can separate the components of petrol oil according to boiling point of matters. Fourth one is hardness. Hardness, it is a properties in some solids. If we compare between sulfur or iron and rubber, which one more hardness? Absolutely iron. So some solids have a hardness different to another. So the screw drive is made from steel iron only because we need it to be harmless. The fifth one is electrical conductivity. The matters good conductors or bad conductors. Good conductors, it is allowed the electric current passes through it, but the bad conductor not allowed. Examples like metals, iron, silver, and copper, it is good conductor, and aluminum. Some solution like acidic solution or alkaline solution, some salt solution, it is good conductor of electricity. But bad conductors like gases, sugar, and solution of hydrogen chloride and benzene, wood, plastic, sulfur, every matters of this, it is bad conductor. So we used electric cable made of copper, aluminum, and the wire is covered by plastic because it is a bad conductor. So we use the physical properties in our life application, as you see. Thermal conductivity. Thermal like electric, the matter that is good conductor in electrical, it will be conductor in thermal conductivity. Like iron, copper, aluminum. Bad conductor like wood or plastic. So, in our life application, they asking me, cooking pans are made of aluminum because it is a good conductor of heat. But cooking pan handles, it is made of wood because it is bad conductor. It is bad conductor. Thank you, and with my best wishes.